This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 10th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.93 points or 0.47% to 405.34. Total trade volume was down with 52,451 shares changing hands at a total value of over 313 million real or approximately $77,500. Not a single stock was up on the main board. 3 were down and 6 were flat. The biggest loser of the day was Akleda Bank, which dropped 1.38% or 100 real to 7,160 real per share, followed by the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which was down 0.51% or 60 real to 11,640 real per share. MJQ Education was also down 10 real or 0.48% to 2,060 real per share. As mentioned, the rest of the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering was up 0.49% or 10 real to 2,040 real per share, while JS Land dropped 0.30% or 10 real to 3,370 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 33,643 shares changing hands at a total value of 242 million real or close to $60,000, which is 64% of total shares traded on January 10th. Cam GSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, but with a significant gap to the highest, with only 4,010 shares changing hands at a total value of 9.7 million real or $2,400, which is 7.6% of Friday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,042 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 109.11. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose in early Asian trade and were on track for a third straight week of gains with icy conditions in parts of the United States and Europe driving up fuel demand. Brent crude futures climbed 69 cents or 0.9% to $77.61 a barrel. Over the 3 weeks ending January 10th, Brent has advanced over 6%. Gold prices inched higher on Friday as uncertainty around U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's policies firmed demand for bullion, while investors awaited a key jobs report to assess the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate cut trajectory. Spot gold edged 0.2% higher to $2,675.49 per ounce. Bullion has gained more than 1% so far this week, set for its highest weekly jump since mid-November. U.S. gold futures rose 0.3% to $2,698.30. U.S. stock futures fell on Friday morning as investors anxiously awaited the release of new economic data on Friday. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P 500 futures shed about 0.28% and Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.32%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 79 points or 0.18%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 10th. Have a great weekend.